So now we are going to study about Python JSON. JSON is stand for JavaScript Object Notation, which is used to store and exchange a data. Now, Python has a built-in package called as a JSON, and which is used to work with the JSON data. To use JSON in Python, first we need to import it as import JSON. Okay. So now we are going to deal with JSON module in practical way. So let's start with importing JSON. So first import JSON. Okay. I will create here one variable which is equals to, I will create here one first data set. Okay. Which will contain first name, then age, and then ID, and that is 1 2 3 4. Okay, we have created here one data set. Now let's load this data set into a JSON. So how we can do that? Using, first we have to call a JSON dot loads. Okay, and as a parameter we have to pass x variable. The entire data set has been loaded into JSON module. Okay, and that all the information I am going to store into p1, my favorite variable, that is p1. Okay, now let's try to print out it. Print, first we have to take name of our variable in which all the data set has been loaded and stored. JSON has loaded all the data set into p1, and I'm taking here the variable name, that is p1, and I want to access information about age. So how we can do that? Just type here age and control S and run. As you can see, we have got our output. Okay, now similar to JSON load, there is also one more method is there which is known as a dump. So let's perform that also here. Instead of load, just we will replace it with the dump, and dump dump is going to be all, it is going to be dump the all the database dataset value. I will show here in just a minute, and control S and run. So as you can see, dump uh, dump function is going to be dump, means it is going to print out entire dataset whichever it has its content. So hope you have got idea about JSON module. Meet you in our next classes. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.